Hey pal, did you know? Wondershare just released Filmora 15.
So what? Another update? What's cool about this one?
Bro, it's got some crazy new AI features. It can do almost anything.
Anything? Can your AI extend my height? I've always wanted to look taller.
Maybe not your height, but it can extend our video length.
Wait, really? That's awesome, man. Finally, my scenes won't get cut off.
The wait is over. Filmora 15 is finally here. The next-generation AI-powered video editing platform that turns your creativity into pure cinematic magic. From AI extended story generation and dynamic subtitles to auto-data visuals and travel route animations, everything you need to bring your ideas to life is built right inside Filmora. Getting started is super easy. Just click the link in the description to download Filmora. It's available on Android, Mac, and Windows, so you can edit anywhere, anytime. Once you're in, jump straight into the toolbox section. That's where the real magic happens. You'll find tons of next-level AI tools designed to save time and take your edits to a whole new level. And in today's video, we're checking out 4 of Filmora's most exciting new AI features that will completely change the way you edit videos. Let's kick things off with our first feature, AI Extend. This powerful tool lets you instantly extend your video clips using AI. Let me show you how it works. First, we'll create a base video. Go to the toolbox section and click on AI Image to Video. You'll be taken straight to the editing area. Now, choose your model. Filmora now includes Google's latest video model, VEO 3, which even generates videos with voiceover and sound effects. Upload your image. It can be your own photo or one generated by AI tools like Midjourney or Nano Banana. Then, type a short prompt describing how you want your video to look, set the duration, and click Generate. Boom! Your video is ready. Next, head over to the My Files section. You'll see your generated video there. Simply drag and drop it into the timeline and hit play. The underwater visuals and sound effects look super cool. Right now, this clip is about 8 seconds long. But let's say we want to extend it by another 8 seconds. Here's where the magic begins. Select the clip, click the double arrow icon, and choose AI Extend. Now, drag the edge of your clip. Filmora will automatically extend it up to 8 seconds using AI. Next, write a short prompt describing how you want the story to continue. For example, I asked AI to create 2 clownfish swim gracefully into a vibrant coral reef. You can also adjust camera movements, fine-tune settings, and click Generate. And that's it. In just a few seconds, Filmora's AI Extend seamlessly expands your clip, making it look cinematic and professional effortlessly. This AI Extend feature in Premiere Pro supports only 2-second clips and doesn't allow prompt-based control, while Filmora allows up to 8 seconds with prompt control, making Filmora more impressive, isn't it? Once you're happy with the result, you can export the video. Let's bring your map to life using the AI Pen tool in Filmora. First, import your map image and drag it onto the editing timeline. Once it's added, select the clip, go to the Draw Tools menu, and choose Pen tool. Now, draw a path on your map. This could be a travel route or a direction line. Once you're done, some cool customization options will pop up. Head over to the Effects section and choose Neon. This gives your path a beautiful glowing effect. Then, set the radius to 3.57 to make the line smoother and more defined. Change the color to red to make it stand out clearly on your map. Next, let's animate the path using keyframes. Click on Trim Path. Move the endpoint slider to the beginning, and click the keyframe icon. Then, move forward in the timeline, depending on how long you want the animation, and slide the endpoint back to 100%. Now hit play, and watch your glowing route animate perfectly across the map. Let's make it even cooler by adding a moving airplane that follows the path. To do that, right-click on your pen tool clip and select Compound Clip. Now, you'll see the motion tracking option. Enable it. A target square will appear on your map. Adjust it so it locks onto your red path. Then click Start Tracking. When you play it, you'll notice the target smoothly follows your route. Next, go to Stickers, search for Airplane, and drag it onto your timeline. Select your pen tool clip again, open the motion tracker, choose Link Element, and link it to the airplane. And just like that, your airplane flies perfectly along the glowing red path you created. pretty awesome, right? That's how you can create stunning travel route animations using Filmora's AI pen tool. Now, let's make your data come alive. From the home screen, head over to the toolbox section and click on animated charts. This is where the magic happens. You'll find plenty of stylish, ready-to-use chart templates like bar chart, donut chart, line chart, and pie chart that instantly turn plain Excel data into eye-catching infographics. For this demo, I'm choosing a column chart and switching to the Data tab. Before uploading, note that the sample data only goes up to G, while our Excel file includes data up to I. Simply upload it here, and your Excel data will automatically replace the sample data, then switch to the Preview tab. Filmora instantly converts it into a dynamic, animated video. You can customize everything, colors, text, style, and more, using the available options. Once done, click Add to Timeline, and your animated chart will move to the editing area. From there, you can export and download it directly to your system. Now let's make your videos talk back with style. First, delete the animated chart. Next, import your video with audio. Then head over to the title section and select Dynamic Captions. Leave the settings on Auto Detect, then click Generate, and that's it. Filmora will automatically add perfectly synced captions to your video, making it more engaging and easier to follow.
I know you're not the Dragon Warrior. None of you! I heard how he fell out of the sky on a ball of fire.
That's it for today's tutorial. Don't forget to check out Filmora's download link in the description to try it yourself. I can't wait to see you in the next video, where we'll explore another amazing AI-powered tool. Stay tuned.